What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. We're going to be doing a lighting upgrade on our Tesla Model Y today. We're going to be upgrading the frunk lighting with a 360 light that goes all the way around and is going to provide a lot more light in that frunk area. Let's go ahead and jump into the car and show you how it's done. The flexible LED strip is going to tap into our existing frunk light, so all we're going to need to do is pull back this trim panel right here. We can just do that with our hands. Should unclip. We're going to unplug our wire harness here going to the light. Just pull out. Now we can simply plug the stock harness into our new light, and then the other end back into the stock light. All right, now you can see that is super bright, so we can just go ahead and put this trim panel back. Now we're going to take our bottom edge of our weather stripping here, pull that up with our finger, and we can just tuck the frunk light all the way around the weather strip. It's going to hide it, and the light actually comes out the bottom side, so it's just going to provide a glow down all the way around the frunk. All right, and that's going to do it for us today on our install of the LED frunk lighting on this Tesla Model Y. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you want to check this out for yourself, you can do that at tsportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.